Ydy, mae dychweliad mini i'r bencampwriaeth wedi bod yn un llwyddiannus iawn hyd yn hyn, gyda'r car bach yn dangos potensial mawr. Ond beth yw gobeithio yn y tîm wrth iddyn nhw gyflwyno'r mini i Rali Cymru GB am y tro cyntaf?
It's another challenge for a new car. After all, it's only our 6th World Championship rally, a brand new car this year. It's fast become the fans' favourite rally car, but we're looking forward to Wales. The rally itself is a great challenge. Quite a bit of in the dark, usually very wet, slippery. Some great forests this year. I have to question the need for us to do so much road mileage, and some of the running around in the middle of the night maybe not so necessary, but nonetheless, I'm sure it'll be as challenging as it ever has been.
Bydd hi'n sicr yn sialens i'r gyrwyr a'r tîmau. Ond beth yw barn Dani Sordo am y rali?
It's nice rally. It's always, I think, it's because it's a typical rally like GB and Monte Carlo is two rallies special because it's a long time in the championship, and I think also everybody likes because normally it's the last one, and the conditions are really like a mud rally, like a really rally, with the trees, within the forest.
Are you confident?
Yeah, I'm confident, and also I'm very happy with the team because it's really nice guys. It's a small team, but big team at the same time, no?
A big heart.
Yeah, the guys he works really hard, and this is nice.
Dani felly'n edrych mlaen, a Kris Meeke hefyd yn hyderus yn dilyn y llwyddiant ar y rali ddiwetha yn Sbaen.
My first ever stage victory, and to do it in the power stage was pretty special. So yeah, it's given me a good lift and a good confidence boost coming into Rally GB. The majority of the stages are new this year, which for me is creating a more of a level playing field. So we hope to try and capitalise on that, and it'll be good for me. But at the same time, we still have to finish and build up the mileage and learn more about the car. So yeah, we're not expecting miracles this weekend, but it'd be nice to end the year on a high.
Ond, ydy'r car yn barod am yr her?
The car is actually as good on gravel as it is on the asphalt. Perhaps we're not quite as familiar with it in these conditions, and the drivers aren't quite up to speed on the gravel events yet, but I have great expectations. Perhaps not this year, but as we develop into next year, then you're going to see the Mini come to the fore.